What's up, YouTube fam? We're out here back with another video. I know it's been a while, it's been a couple months, but we're finally back, man. We finally got some more parts for the G today. It's not a new part, it's an exhaust. It is a better exhaust than the one it has right now. But yeah, man, we're back in another video today. It's been a couple months. Let's get back to it. It's pretty cold outside. That's why, as you guys can see, I got my hoodie on. But let's go take a look at the new exhaust, man. Come on, let's go. Yes, sir. Like I said, we got a new exhaust in today. We went ahead and ordered it from Injuku Racing. They had some sales going on this Black Friday, so you know I had to pick this baby up. But yeah, man, we got hardware and bolts right here, some shade sticker and an air freshener. But that's what we're looking for right there. Boom. This is a ISR single exit. As you guys can see, ISR performance. We got a single exit today. So the only difference between that one and the exhaust I have now, for sure it's better quality, better welds, better everything, better piping. But it's that right there. This big old muffler right here. That's what's gonna help it quiet down the, the trumpet out there that we have waiting for us. All right, y'all, we're down here with the car now. As you guys can see right here, we got the eBay Tome. We're gonna go ahead and go ahead and start unbolting everything up so we can get that old exhaust out, put the new one in. I'm not gonna be able to record that much just because I don't have my boy out here today to help me out, but I'll try to get as much as possible for you guys. Let's get to it, man. I don't think we're gonna need to jack it up from the front. I'm pretty sure I could get to everything through here. As you guys can see, I already have a single exit. That is an eBay single exit, so it is a cheap exhaust. We are changing it, like I said, for the ISR performance single exit. Hopefully it sounds a lot better and not as raspy in the cabin like this one used to be, because I am tired of that, man. Don't mind how my exhaust look. That stuff that looks like it's melting on there, it's just trash that I was driving and it got stuck on my exhaust, and then it just melted away. But like I say, we already have test pipes, wire pipe, back to single exit, but we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. As you guys can see, we already got rid of the bolts right here. So this right here is the extension. You're gonna need an extension though, because the exhaust that I have, the ISR single exit, it is for a 350, and you still need an extension in order to fit the G35 coupe. Got the eBay single exit out of the way, out with the old and with the new. Look at that. Damn, look at those welds. Oh my god, look at that. Boom. It's gonna go in this baby right here. So like I was saying earlier, You will need an extension pipe. I believe this is an 8-inch extension pipe. Actually, no, I'm sorry, a 10-inch extension pipe from Z1 Motorsports. You will need one in order to run this ISR Performance single exit, since it is for a 350Z. You will need that extension. I already had it before in my old exhaust, so I'm just reusing it. Alright guys, we have the mid pipe right there. We have the extension right there. Everything's bolted up. Right now it's not bolted up all the way, just because I want to get everything on the car before we go ahead and bolt everything tight. But yeah, man, we got the tip over there in the box. We got the mid pipe right here. Let's go ahead into installing this mid pipe and the extension to get it on and finish it off with the blast. All right, guys, as you guys can see, we have the extension pipe and the mid pipe installed already with the white pipe. So you guys can see, now we just got to connect, you know, the fun part, the exhaust. Let's get to it, man. All right, guys, fresh new pipe. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the honors. Look at that baby right there, ISR Performance. We got it on. Look at that thing. Boom. Yes, sir. Moment of truth.
Out with the old and with the new.
Damn, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss being that loud, bro.
It's a whole lot quieter now, bro.
Now it's just, well. Let me know if I'm going straight through.
But I got you. You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good.
Mm-hmm.